Hey everyone, welcome back to Tiny Steps to English, where learning English is always fun. Today, we are going to learn some funny English phrases and idioms that will not only help you speak better but also make you laugh. Ready for some giggles while learning? Let's jump in. English is full of quirky phrases that sound absolutely hilarious if you think about them literally. For example, have you ever heard someone say, "It's raining cats and dogs"? That doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It just means it's raining heavily. So today, we'll explore some funny phrases and idioms like that, which will help you sound more natural and give you a good laugh. Let's start with some funny idioms and what they actually mean. Break the ice. This doesn't mean you are smashing ice cubes. It means you're trying to make people feel more comfortable in a conversation. Example, I told a joke to break the ice at the party. Spill the beans. No, you're not making a mess with food. It means to reveal a secret. Example, he spilled the beans about the surprise party. Kick the bucket. Sounds violent, right? But it just means to die. Maybe don't use this one at a party. Example, the old character in the movie kicked the bucket. Hit the hay. No, you're not attacking a pile of hay. It just means to go to sleep. Example, I'm so tired. I'm going to hit the hay. Bite the bullet. No need to worry. Nobody's chewing on bullets. It means to do something difficult or unpleasant that you've been avoiding. Example, I hate exams, but I'll bite the bullet and start studying. Bonus fun. Imagine if people actually did these things literally. Picture someone biting a bullet or spilling beans everywhere. It would be total chaos. Now, let's look at some funny phrases that people actually use in everyday English. Piece of cake. This doesn't mean dessert is involved, unfortunately. It just means something is really easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake. Costs an arm and a leg. Sounds extreme, right? But it means something is very expensive. Example, that car costs an arm and a leg. When pigs fly. Pigs don't fly. But this phrase means something that will never happen. Example, I'll go skydiving when pigs fly. Cats out of the bag. No, we are not putting animals in bags. It means that a secret has been revealed. Example, the cat's out of the bag. Everyone knows about the surprise. Cold feet. It doesn't mean your toes are freezing. It means someone is nervous about something. Example, she got cold feet before the big presentation. Fun fact. Imagine how confusing English must be to someone learning these phrases for the first time. Piece of cake could sound like you're getting a delicious treat, but no such luck. And there you go. Now, You know some of the funniest idioms and phrases in English. The next time you hear someone say, kick the bucket, or when pigs fly, you will know exactly what they mean. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. The language is full of funny surprises. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun and easy English lessons right here on Tiny Steps to English. See you next time. And remember, learning is always better with a laugh.